Have you ever felt like your life is being disrupted by pain? That simple things like walking, getting out of bed, or even enjoying moments with your family have become difficult and painful tasks? If the answer is yes, you need to hear this. Today, I am going to tell you about something that could be a game changer in your life: Arthrozene, a supplement that doesn't promise miracles but delivers results in a truly innovative way. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal could change your life just like it changed mine. How many times have you given up on something you love because the pain was just too much? No matter the situation, living with pain is an emotional and physical burden no one should have to bear. I used Arthrozene for a few months, and honestly, it feels like it was made for people like us. People who don't just want to survive, they want to truly live. And believe me, it's possible. This isn't that temporary relief that disappears after a few hours. I'm talking about a solution that goes straight to the root of the problem. Something clinically developed for this exact purpose. So, what makes Arthrozene so special? It's all about its powerful, scientifically proven formula. Let me explain in simple terms. AprèsFlex. This is the warrior against inflammation. It targets the enzymes that cause pain and swelling in your joints, bringing you relief you can actually feel. UCI Collagen, the cartilage hero. This unique type of collagen helps restore and strengthen your joints, giving back the mobility you thought you'd lost. Hyal-Joint, the natural lubricant that makes your joints feel brand new, eliminating stiffness and discomfort. In a clinical study, people who used Arthrozene reported a significant reduction in pain and improvements in mobility in just 5 days. This isn't theory, these are real results, documented from everyday people just like you and me. I found this truly incredible. Unlike other products on the market, Arthrozene doesn't just mask the pain, it fights the cause. That's what makes all the difference. I want to be honest with you. I've been in your shoes. I know what it's like to search for answers and only find temporary fixes. When I discovered Arthrozene, I decided to give it a shot. Within just a few days, I noticed a difference. That morning stiffness, gone. That pain that felt like it would never go away, it started to fade. I can confidently say, this changed my life, and it can change yours too. I know what you're probably thinking. Will it work for me? The only way to find out is to try it. And let me tell you, Arthrozene is so trustworthy that you can try it risk-free. Want to know how? I'll explain in just a few seconds. Here's a tip that'll make all the difference if you are thinking about trying Arthrozene. People, myself included at first, buy it straight from Amazon or other websites. But do you know what I found out? I paid more and didn't get any guarantee because it didn't come directly from the manufacturer. It was only later that I realized the official manufacturer's website offers benefits no one else does. The best deals, free shipping across America, and get this, a 1-year guarantee. Yes, you can try the product for up to 365 days, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, they'll give you your money back. There's absolutely no risk, just benefits. So seriously, don't make the same mistake I did. If you're ready to take this step, go straight to the official website. There, you're guaranteed to receive the original product with all the quality and safety you deserve. And trust me, this is the smartest way to start your journey toward a pain-free life. I truly hope you give Arthrozene a try and feel the difference in your daily life, just like I did. And remember, you deserve to live without limitations. If you liked this video, share it with someone you'd like to help. Leave a comment below and share your experience if you've already tried Arthrozene. See you next time.